Good morning. Today is Thursday, March the 2nd, 2020. It is our day number 8, 7 or 8 of our distance learning. Um, you know the routine. You should be exercising your SOAR, making sure that you are getting on your reflex daily, checking YouTube daily. Today is our Zoom day at 11 o'clock, so be ready for that. And then also that you are reading your 20 minutes, filling out your reading log, as well as having your parents to fill out your distance learning log to make sure that you are putting in the time that you need to SOAR. All right, so first step is you have a page called Comparing Fractions, and that one is all about cross multiplying. So I did the first one for you. You had to compare 3/8 to 3/4. So you would draw the butterfly and you cross multiply. 3 times 4 gave you 12. And 3 times 8 gave you 24. 24, of course, is the bigger number. So then the alligator's mouth goes to that one. So it is 3/8 is less than 3/4. Okay. Leave that there for a second. All right. Then the next one just called going to the movies. Remember what we talked about in time? You did time in the 3rd grade. And so when it says a quarter, that means 15 minutes. A quarter to 7 means it's before 7 o'clock. So a quarter will be 15 minutes before 7. All right. And then make sure that you go in increments of 10 minutes go in hours first to move forward or backward. And then go in 10-minute increments until you get to the place you need to be, the time that you need to get to. And then also, you had a lot of math today, and that's fine. We're okay with that. All right, we had decimal review where you had to write the number as a decimal form. So I did the first example on that one where it's 3 4/10. 3 is your whole number, so you write it as a whole number. And then the decimal separates the whole number from the fraction. And then you look at your denominator, which is tenths, and that lets you know your last place value, which is tenths. So we put the 4 in the tenths place. Okay, and I'm gonna hold that there for a second. All right. So I bet you're wondering, why do I have on a mask? I call myself trying to dress like a doctor today because we are dressing like doctors and nurses in honor of those that are fighting this pandemic that we're going through. They're risking their lives to try to save other lives, and so we want to honor them today. So make it a great big deal. Maybe draw a picture, write a letter of thanks, and send it to the nearest hospital. You can mail it to the nearest hospital if you guys have stamps, whatever the case may be, or maybe just do a TikTok and just talk about how you're honoring them, thanking them for what they're doing for us. All right, so this one is short and sweet today. We will have our Zoom today just to check in, say, hey, what's going on? Share with your friends, reach out to your friends, hug on your siblings, hug on your family, just let them know how much you love them. I have spoken to more of our class. I have spoken to everyone in the class except for one. And that name will, for respect of the family, that name is going to be not discovered. But I know that person is fine. I haven't physically talked to them, but they are fine. All right. So if nothing else, wrap your arms around yourself. Give yourself a big hug. I love you guys. Miss you guys so much. And I hope to see you at 11 o'clock. Bye.